your English bestie. Hey learners, welcome back to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. In today's episode, you'll hear 3 international students talking about their hometowns. One is from a busy city, one from a small town, and one from a quiet village. They'll talk about food, fun, culture, and what they miss most. Listen carefully, learn useful phrases and expressions, and think about how you would talk about your hometown. Let's dive in.
You know, it's funny. We've been classmates for a whole week, and I don't even know where you guys are from.
Good point. Well, I'm from Lucca in Italy. It's a small town in Tuscany.
Oh, I've heard of Lucca. Isn't it surrounded by old city walls?
Yup. You can actually walk or cycle around the top of the walls. It's really peaceful with cobbled streets, small cafes, and lots of history. What about you two?
I'm from Bangkok, Thailand's capital.
Wow, that must be huge.
Oh, it is. Crazy traffic, street food on every corner, tall buildings, sky trains. It never sleeps.
Sounds like a movie. Mine's not like that at all. I grew up in a tiny village in the north of England. No buses, no malls. Just sheep, hills, and a lot of tea.
That sounds cozy, though. What's it like living in a village?
Peaceful. You can hear the birds in the morning, but also a bit boring when you're a teenager. There's not much to do.
I get that. Lucca is beautiful, but quiet. I sometimes wished I lived in Rome or Milan where more things happen.
For me, Bangkok was never boring, but I kind of miss nature. Sometimes I want silence, but all I hear is car horns.
Come visit my village. You'll get all the silence you want. And maybe too much.
Same with Lucca. And I'll feed you real Italian pizza, not that pineapple stuff.
Hey, pineapple pizza isn't that bad.
Haha. Don't start this war.
What do you guys miss most about your hometown?
My grandma's cooking. Her green curry chicken is the best in the world. Also, street food. You can grab a snack for like 50 baht.
That's like, what? 1 pound?
Yeah, and it's delicious. Also, I miss the festivals. The lights, music, parades. Everyone's out celebrating.
That sounds amazing. I miss my local bakery. Every morning, fresh bread and espresso. And the way everyone knows everyone.
Same. I miss walking to the shop and having to stop 5 times because everyone wants to say hello.
That's the total opposite of Bangkok. Sometimes people don't even look at you, but I do miss how alive it feels.
What about now? Do you like living here?
I love it. So many cafes and bookshops, and I don't have to walk 2 miles to get milk anymore.
It's nice here, yeah. A bit slower than Bangkok, but I like the mix of people.
It's great for studying too. And I love meeting people from different countries.
Same. You learn so much just by talking.
Was it hard for you to adjust at first?
A little. Everything closes early here. In Italy, dinner starts at 8. Here, the kitchen is already closed by then.
I miss proper tea. I asked for tea at a cafe and got hot water and a tea bag. No milk, no sugar.
For me, it was the weather. I miss the heat. It's too cold here.
And the food, everything is so mild here. Where are the spices?
Not in my village, that's for sure.
You know what? We should visit each other's hometowns one day.
Absolutely. I'll give you a food tour of Lucca. Pasta, pizza, gelato, all day.
I'll take you hiking in the hills, and we'll have tea and biscuits at my grandma's.
And I'll show you Bangkok's best night market and how to ride a tuk-tuk.
Deal. Let's make it happen.
Great job, learners. Today, we learned how to talk about where you're from, what makes your hometown special, and how to share personal stories. Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, where are you from? What's special about your hometown? And hey, don't forget, If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, share with a friend, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next conversation. Thanks for watching Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. See you next time.